Are you tired of struggling with hair loss? Have you been feeling frustrated? You tried every method and no benefit? Wish there was a solution that actually works? Look no further than PRP, the ultimate answer to revitalizing your hair. Introducing PRP, a breakthrough in combating hair loss and unlocking the power to transform your hair loss journey. PRP therapy uses injections of a concentration of a patient's own platelets. It targets the root cause of hair loss, stimulating hair growth from within. Watch as PRP rejuvenates your hair, helping to restore its full potential. Improvement in hair health and thickness is possible and has been documented in several peer-reviewed studies. Increasing clinical evidence suggests PRP can help patients with hair loss. Along with the PRP procedure, we also recommend lifestyle changes, including quitting smoking and using a fortified diet containing vitamin D and iron. Say goodbye to thinning hair and regain your confidence. The PRP therapy is a game changer in combating hair loss. With its remarkable transformational effects, you'll be amazed at the results. Don't let hair loss hold you back any longer. Say hello to thick, healthy hair with PRP. Hear from our satisfied customers who have found remarkable hair transformations through PRP. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to the channel.